A beginner's guide to creating a Bitcoin wallet. In the world of cryptocurrencies, a Bitcoin wallet is an essential tool for securely storing and managing your digital assets. Whether you're new to Bitcoin or looking to set up your first wallet, this comprehensive guide will walk you through the process, ensuring that even beginners can understand and follow along. Step 1. Understand the basics. Before diving into creating a Bitcoin wallet, it's crucial to grasp some fundamental concepts. Bitcoin wallets come in different forms, including software wallets, hardware wallets, and online wallets. Each has its own advantages and security considerations. For beginners, we recommend starting with a software wallet, which is easy to set up and use. Step 2. Choose a software wallet. There are numerous software wallets available, both for desktop and mobile devices. Some popular options include Electrum, Exodus, and Mycelium. Research and choose a wallet that suits your needs in terms of security, user-friendliness, and compatibility with your device. Step 3. Download and install the wallet. Once you've selected a software wallet, visit the official website or app store to download and install it on your device. Ensure that you are downloading from a trusted source to avoid any potential security risks. Step 4. Set up your wallet. After installing the wallet, launch the application. You will be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Since we are focusing on beginners, select the option to create a new wallet. Step 5. Generate a strong password and backup phrase. Creating a strong password is crucial to protect your wallet from unauthorized access. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Additionally, the wallet will generate a backup phrase, also known as a seed phrase or recovery phrase. Write this phrase down and store it in a safe place. It acts as a backup to restore your wallet if you lose access to your device. Step 6. Secure your wallet. Most software wallets offer additional security features, such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, or biometric authentication. Enable these features to add an extra layer of protection to your wallet. Step 7. Receive and send Bitcoin. Once your wallet is set up and secured, you can start receiving and sending Bitcoin. To receive Bitcoin, share your wallet's public address with the sender. To send Bitcoin, enter the recipient's public address and the amount you wish to. Securing your Bitcoin wallet is of utmost importance to protect your digital assets. Here are some essential steps to enhance the security of your Bitcoin wallet. 1. Use a strong password. Create a unique and complex password for your wallet. Avoid using common phrases or easily guessable information. Include a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. 2. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Many software wallets offer 2FA as an additional security layer. Enable this feature, which typically requires you to enter a verification code from your mobile device when logging in or making transactions. 3. Keep software up to date. Regularly update your wallet software to ensure you have the latest security patches and bug fixes. Developers often release updates to address vulnerabilities and improve overall security. 4. Back up your wallet. Make regular backups of your wallet and store them in multiple secure locations. This backup should include your recovery phrase or seed phrase. Consider using offline or hardware wallets for long-term storage. 5. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Be vigilant against phishing attempts, where malicious actors try to trick you into revealing your wallet information. Always double-check the website's URL before entering any sensitive data and avoid clicking on suspicious links. 6. Use secure networks. When accessing your wallet or making transactions, use secure and trusted networks. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks, as they may be vulnerable to attacks. Consider using a virtual private network, VPN, for added security. 7. Keep your device secure. Ensure that the device you use for your wallet is protected with up-to-date antivirus software and a strong password. Avoid downloading unknown or suspicious applications that could compromise your wallet's security. 8. Be mindful of social engineering. Be cautious of individuals or groups attempting to gain unauthorized access to your wallet through social engineering tactics. Never share your wallet information or recovery phrase with anyone. 9. Use multi-signature wallets. Consider using multi-signature wallets, which require multiple signatures or approvals to authorize transactions. This adds an extra layer of security, as it prevents a single compromised device from accessing your funds. 10. Educate yourself. Stay informed about the latest security practices and developments in the cryptocurrency space. Regularly educate yourself on best practices for securing your Bitcoin wallet to adapt to evolving threats. Remember, securing your Bitcoin wallet is an ongoing process. Stay proactive and implement these security measures to safeguard your digital assets effectively. To ensure the security and functionality of your Bitcoin wallet, it is generally recommended to update your wallet software regularly. The frequency of updates may vary depending on the wallet provider and the specific software you are using. Here are some guidelines to consider. 1. Stay informed. Keep an eye on the official website or communication channels of your wallet provider. They will typically announce new updates, bug fixes, and security patches. Subscribe to their newsletters or follow them on social media to stay informed about any important updates. 2. Security updates. If there are critical security vulnerabilities discovered in the wallet software, it is crucial to update your wallet immediately. Security updates often address potential weaknesses that could be exploited by attackers. 3. New features and improvements. Wallet updates may also introduce new features, enhancements, or user interface improvements. While these updates may not be as critical as security updates, they can enhance your overall experience and provide additional functionality. 4. Balance between convenience and security. Striking a balance between convenience and security is important. If you update your wallet too frequently, it may become cumbersome and time-consuming. On the other hand, neglecting updates for an extended period may expose you to potential security risks. As a general guideline, consider checking for updates every few months or whenever a significant update is released. However, if there are critical security vulnerabilities or urgent bug fixes, it is advisable to update your wallet software as soon as possible. Remember, before updating your wallet software, ensure you have a backup of your wallet and any necessary recovery phrases. This will help you restore your wallet in case anything goes wrong during the update process. Always prioritize the security of your Bitcoin wallet and stay informed about the latest updates from your wallet provider to maintain a secure and reliable experience. For more information on a beginner's guide to creating a Bitcoin wallet, please click the link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and subscribe. Happy investing! Thanks for watching.